video, I'm going to show you how you can actually add MyTV Africa FTA channels on your Newmaxs decoder. And you can use this same tutorial to apply it on your decoder. Just follow the steps and then key in or edit wherever you're supposed to edit to actually get the channels working. So the first thing that you have to do is to get a stable signal from the MyTV platform, which you're gonna get access to the satellite on the Eurotelsat 16A on the 16E East. So all you got to do is to use the TP, which is 10804 horizontal 30K, just to track for a stable signal. After getting the signal, all you have to do is to pick up your remote and then you press on the menu button on your remote, and from the menu here use the arrow keys just to navigate through the menu, and then you put it on installation. So from installation, put it on installation, and you need to confirm with the default code on your decoder, which is 4 zeros. If no one have ever changed, it's supposed to be 4 zeros. So you key in 000 and then it's open up. So here we have the S2, which is the satellite settings, and we have the T2, which is the terrestrial or the digital or antenna settings. So you place it on the S2 since you're gonna scan for the satellite FTA channels. And then you come to the antenna settings, you need to select your satellite. So you can select through this the exact satellite for the MyTV Africa, which is Eurotelsat at 16A on the 16 degrees. So you can select this exact satellite and then you proceed to add a TP and then use it to scan. And you can also select a different satellite folder. All these are just satellite folders which they have installed TPs in it. So you can select a different satellite folder, or if you are applying this on your decoder and there is no Eurotelsat 16, you can select Astra 2A, 2B, Hotbird, Arabsat, Intelsat, and then the next thing that you have to do is to add the transponder. And on antenna settings page, you are not likely to find the transponder. So this there's our transponder 10804 30K horizontal, but if it's not in the transponder list, I just added, that's why it's available. All you got to do is to come to the transponder list whenever you select a different satellite name. Come to the transponder list, and then here you have some command down below. You have the satellite option, and you have the red to add, yellow to edit, green to delete. So you press on the sat button on the remote for the satellite option to actually pop up, and then you select the exact satellite folder that you want to use it to scan. So let's select a different satellite folder that we're going to use it to scan. Let's select the Astra 4A right here. So you select the satellite, and then you have to add a TP. With the add in, you need to press on the red button on the remote for the add menu to pop up, and you need to edit or add the TP, which is 10804 30K, and you change the polarity horizontal. You press OK, highlight it like this, and as you can see how the signal quality showing to be 47-46% right there. So on this page, if you proceed to scan by pressing on the blue button, you are only limited to the manual search option. So you need to move to the antenna settings page after adding the TP on the satellite that you're going to use to actually scan your channels. So on the antenna settings page, you will get access to the blind scan option, which will enable the recorder to get you enough of the channels in and around the satellites. Alright, so when you come here, you select the satellite folder whereby you add the TP in it. So you look through, and then that's the Astra 4A, the satellite we add the TP, and then you come to the transponder list, you put it on the exact transponder. Even running the manual search, you can just place on any transponder and it's gonna run through to actually get you the signal, but you need to place it on the transponder to make sure that the signal quality shows. And the next thing is to press on the blue button on the remote for the scan menu to pop up, and you change the scan type. You can select FTA only to avoid the channel that comes along with the dollar sign, the scramble channels, that won't be working right as well. If you select FTA, it's gonna eliminate those channels from the channel list, and you can leave it on all. And the scan type, you change it to blind. We have manual auto. Change it to blind for you to get access to every channel closer to the free FTA TP that you're having a stable signal on it. So you press OK to proceed, and you wait for it to complete scanning to get access to the channel that will come along after you are done. So if today is your first time watching a video on my channel, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are here.